welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shirley, also known as Backttalk, and I do anything Disney. And today we are doing Magic at Your Door unboxing for the month of November. I'm really excited for this month because this month is usually when you get Christmas stuff in your box. Now I know they're gonna also include Christmas stuff in December's box, so I might have to do December as well, although we have a trip coming up, so usually whenever I have a trip, I pause my subscription. Okay, let's get started. I'm sorry. Let's rewind. So Magic at Your Door, if you don't know, it's a preference box for Disney. And the nice thing about them is that you can do, there's 3 tiers. I get the gold tier, which is the highest tier and the best value. And the nice thing is that you can pause any month. So if you're having troubles, if you're going somewhere, if you're spending more than usual, like the holidays, you can pause it and you don't have to like renew or anything like that. It's an amazing box. I have a whole playlist full of them, so if you want to check them out, please do so. But anyways, I got the month of November. I'm really excited. I already opened it. If you are new to my channel, I am awful at opening things, so I always do it off camera, but I don't look. I haven't looked yet, but yeah, I'm really excited. I couldn't wait. All right. It has all of the freebies. What is this? I thought it was a hot Cheeto. It has made golden ticket promotion. So golden boxes, you have the chance of getting a golden ticket, and every month they change. Some months you can get a free Loungefly, some months you can get a free item from a list. This month there's 50th anniversary merch that you can get. I'm really hoping I win. It's very rare. I have awful luck, just awful. But okay, let's go ahead and see. So I want to start with that. I want to see what this carrot thing is. What is this? Okay, hold on. What is this? What the? Okay, I don't know how I feel about this. I am confident enough to wear it, but should I? So it looks like this was my golden pouch. I did not get a golden ticket. I knew it. But okay, I don't know how to feel about this because I can totally see myself wearing it, but it's a lot. So it's a snowman hat. This is what I thought was a Cheeto because it was poking out of the thing. It's a white fluffy. It has little hands. It says Walt Disney World in the back, and then it says snow place like home. That is one of my favorite Christmas songs. Yes, I guess I gotta wear it. We are going to Disneyland for Christmas, and I don't know now. This might change my outfit choices. Maybe I'll have to do some outfit wardrobe changes. Well, thanks, maid. I'm maid. Magic at Your Door. I'm glad you think I'm this confident. I mean, what you guys think? I want to wear it. Let's do it. Why not? I'm having a weird hair day anyway, so. Alright, so that was the first thing that's in there. I don't know what to do with the freebies. I have a cat and she tends to get into freebies, so I try to contain them. Alright, the next thing that's in here is a bag that was in my preference list. The nice thing about Magic at Your Door, like I said earlier, they do have a preference list that you can put, and most of the time you get things from your preference. Not all of them, they still keep the element of surprise, but most of the time. And I did put this bag in there. We went to Oogie Boogie Bash this year, and I regretted not buying this beforehand. So when I saw it on the wish list, I was like, please, thank you. I did not know that this rotated. Look how cool that is, you guys. I bet Oogie Boogie would love this if I go next year. But so cool. It's just like a shoulder bag. It has a button on the back. It's, what are these guys called? A canteen bag, right? You can like canteen it. I don't know. As a button, that's probably where I'll put my hot sauce for my chimichangas. And then it has a little keychain that's the die that he rolls. If I open it up, there's paper inside. There's the inside of the bag. It's little Oogie Boogie bugs when you open him up. And then it has a zipper for your cash, although you should be using the app because it's better. And then the little chain thing. Very, very cute. Very pleased with it. I did put it in my wish list. It was $56. Very nice. I did not tell you how much the hat cost. I'll have to tell you after because she's on my head now. Okay, the next two things look like packages. So I will open it and then come back and tell you what they are. Okay, I'm back. I struggled a little bit, just a little bit. So this is the first one. I haven't seen what's inside. I just undid it. It looks like it's an ornament. Ooh. What ornament are you? Ooh, that noise. I'm sorry. I don't know. Last year, Magic at Your Door had these like beautiful guitars from Coco, and I never got one. I didn't put it on my preference. I learned that if you put it on your preference, they might do it. You never know. So I didn't know that last year. And oh my gosh. And so now I do that, and then most of the time they read it. It's beautiful. Go check them out. They're an amazing company. But here we have the ornament. I'm gonna put them in the tree today. Look how amazing Cox wore this. I can already hear him. If you don't know this about me, I love Beauty and the Beast. It's one of those movies that I can watch all the time because of the music. I could be doing anything else. I could be doing taxes and just have Beauty and the Beast on the back because it's amazing. So this is a $22 ornament. Dang. He's beautiful. Now we need Look Me. Maybe I will have to do December just in hopes that I get Lumiere and have like a pack. And then this is the other box that was in there. There is a description, but I like avoided it. Say it ain't so. Closing my eyes because I really wanted something and I put it in my preference list and I think they gave it to me. This is huge. Okay, this is huge. Tell me it ain't so. Hey. Okay, all right, I'm sorry. I am so excited. This is so cool. I'm unboxing a 50th anniversary tumbler while wearing a snowman hat. Welcome to my channel. But it is the 50th anniversary tumbler. You guys, this company, I'm telling you, so they got 50th anniversary merch. They have a Facebook page and they keep putting pictures of all of the great stuff that they're getting in, and you can like it and stuff, and you can always decide. But again, it is a subscription mystery box. So it doesn't mean that you're always gonna get what you want. I really wanted this, and there's no way I'm gonna make it back to Florida this year. And so I put on the on my preference, like, please, I really want the tumbler. Like, I collect Starbucks tumblers. You can see like my hauls of them. And I really wanted this one because it's just the texture of it. I play with it. I teach online now, so I just do this. And she's stunning. Oh my gosh, she is stunning. And she matches my nails, and I'm just gonna do this, like, stunning. And I believe that's it, which is more than enough. I'm gonna count everything and then I'll come right back. Yeah. All right, you guys, I am back. The grand total, you ready? It was 150-ish. I'm gonna go with the ish because there's a lot of singles and pennies that I did not count. 150-ish, which is amazing. So the gold box, if you don't know, is $125, and there is a $10 delivery fee, I believe, anywhere in the US. So getting over 125, even 135, it's already like extra magic that they just throw in there because they're awesome. So I'm really happy with this box. I was really happy with my last box. I feel like so far, just out of the ballpark. I should have done a baseball reference. I don't watch baseball, but they did amazing. Fireworks, let's go with that. I don't know. I'm really tempted to keep going for December because I want to know or see what else I can get for Christmas. I don't know. I need to debate it. Maybe even ask my husband if I'm allowed to. Not allowed to, but if he's okay with me doing it December. But yeah, great job, Magic at Your Door. Just yay. And I found out the price of the hat because I didn't tell you, $34.99, and it lights up. I don't know how I missed this. I think it's because I was just overwhelmed with how much it was already, like just how, like, you know, how much it was, that I didn't realize that it's not only extra, but it goes beyond extra. I guess this lights up and this lights up. So I think I definitely have to wear this to the parks. Like, come on. Who wouldn't love this, right? But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know what your favorite thing was. For me, I think my favorite thing was the cup. Like, I can't believe how amazing they are and how they read this. And also, I can't believe this is $50. What? Disney World, it's a tumbler, yo. Like, you can buy these for 30, like, not even. That's crazy. But, this is awesome. And I think I like it this way more than me buying it, because I feel like this way I'm just getting it. It's a gift. This was my favorite, hands down. I really wanted it, and I can't believe I have it. And then followed by my Oogie Boogie bag, for sure. And then these two were great add-ons. Can't complain. But yeah, let me know if you have any subscriptions with Disney or other Disney subscriptions. Let me know if you tried Magic at Your Doors or if you're thinking about it. And if you have any questions, let me know. I do have a link below for a discount if you want a discount on your first box. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe so you can watch other videos just as messy as this one. And then don't forget to like if you like the video. And until next time, adios.